Hey guys, welcome to Revved Up with Mike. Today we're going to talk about aftermarket plastics on Ducatis. Are they worth the money? Let's take a look at this one and find out. Well, as you can see, we have the Nicky Hayden livery. And these were actually purchased off of eBay, believe it or not. Now, they didn't come exactly like you see them. There's a few differences for copyright reasons, of course, right? So I have put the 848s on the side. I have did the Ducati course on the side. I have added the number 69 on the front here. Did the blue behind it, 69 here. We have done a reproduction stripe on the gas tank. And of course we have the Nicky Hayden 848 stars and stripes here on the back. Now, let's talk about this bike because this is a 2008, not a 2010. Ducati 848, and it just turned over 6,000 original miles on it. All documented. I've done a ton to this bike. You name it, it's done. But today we're here to talk about these plastics. And the first thing everybody wants to know is, well, what's the fitment? So I'm going to have you guys tell me, how is the fitment? What do you think about the fitment? Because to me, it fits just as good, if not better, than the factory fairings. And usually I don't say that, but these things are exceptionally good. Tailpiece, very, very good. It wasn't hard to install these at all. And as a Ducati, shouldn't be hard to install. They're actually very simple to install. But there you go. And we're talking about some other things here too. I'm going to let you look at this. Fit and finish on these fairings are amazing, right? So it's hard for me to leave links for this stuff simply because, well, sellers come and go on eBay. So you don't know who you're getting it from or what the quality is. But what I can lead you to is a company that does really good carbon fiber. So the carbon fiber work is by NT Fairing, and you can find them on Amazon, you can find them at their own website, you can find them on eBay. And they have done this beautiful carbon weaves, and it's strong, guys. This carbon is really, really strong. Try drilling it if you don't believe me. So we did the front fender. We've done the ram air intake covers here on the bike. I have done the exhaust valve cover here on the back, but the most beautiful part, and we're not done, I don't think we're done anyhow, is we've done this rear hugger and this amazing fitting carbon fiber rear swing arm cover. Look at this. Amazing, right? And we did the carbon fiber tank protector, of course. But if you look at this bike, you'll understand why. I mean, it's simply beautiful. You could eat off the engine. Öhlins rear shock, that was installed when the bike was brand spanking new before it left the dealership. This bike was originally all red, and then we had it in the Gulf livery. And now we're to the Nicky Hayden-style. Loose Nicky Hayden-style, but beautiful fairings nonetheless. I wish the sun was shining right now. I could show you more because there's literally these beautiful metallics in this blue, but you can't see it because that's, well, overcast kind of here and murky. Factory levers are still on this bike. Got the factory mirrors are still on this bike. Just put a brand new X-ring gold chain on it. Full timing belt service with new tensioners and belts. New fuel injectors. We have, I mean, everything's new on this bike. Look at that. See that TPS? Look at that. See it in there. Yeah, there's our new throttle bodies. Like I said, you could eat off of it. This had an engine cover on this side. I took it off because I wanted to show the perfect condition of the cover, the factory cover on here. So if you guys want, or whoever buys this can have the race cover that goes with it. Brand new Barnett racing clutch with racing springs inside of this. So basically a full service on this bike. You could even eat off the brakes on this thing. So tell me, guys, what do you think about this bike? Well, worth it, right? So these fairings come in at right around with tax close to $500, which isn't bad. I have another, this bike has a portfolio. It was just actually evaluated and appraised. Appraised out in current market and the condition that it is in with a verified pedigree and full, the service history and the original owner, original bill of sale, even the original manufacturer's certificate of origin with this bike, as well as the documented upgrades that were done when the bike was new. This bike, well, I think it was close to $10,000 is what it was evaluated at. And that's pretty cool. I thought that was pretty cool. I got it listed for $8,000 right now. I got a lot more money, and I got about 10 in it altogether. Brand new tires, by the way. It's got the Continental Sport Attacks on it, brand spanking new tires. These are these beautiful wheels, not a mark on them, not a scuff. They're absolutely fantastic. And look at your brakes, guys. Look at all your brake lines and your brakes. Simply amazing. Goes like an SOB. And the Öhlins was put on when the bike was brand new. Have the receipts for that. When they did that, they changed the sprockets. Also, it's a Ducati Performance ECU in it. That's why I hate messing with it, and I'd rather just adjust the O2 trims that's in it now. And then we have the Ducati Course gauge on this thing, which was upgraded when they did the ECU, and then they had to do the ignition. Everything's documented. It's really crazy how they do everything with Ducati, but very pricey, very, very pricey. And I actually have an accessories catalog from when this bike came out with it also. And I had an opportunity to talk to the original owner of this bike, who bought this bike brand new in 2008, had everything done to it, put 2,000 miles on it between 2008 and 2020. But purpose of this video is to show you guys these fairings. What do you think, guys? What do you think about these fairings? And what do you think about this bike overall in general? It's come a long ways, right? If you've been following the build, it's come a long ways. The Golf livery looked really fantastic on this bike also, but I think we nailed it with this Nicky Hayden, I don't want to say replica, but tribute. Let's just put it that way. And I honestly think that the number on the front of mine looks better than the original one. It just flows better, captures it better in the front and back here on the back. And then we have the stripe. This was ordered out of France. I don't think you can get them anymore. This was a reproduction that was, I'm not even going to give the price because it's very expensive. And then the Ducati Course I ordered offline. That is from Ducati. And the 848 was ordered offline also. So there you go. So you basically get it with the red, white, and blue, the stars, all that, with no Ducati logos, no 848 on it. But it still looks fantastic. I'll put some pictures up of it, how it comes. Let me know what you think. And check out NT Fairing. I'd like to see their version of these fairings because their carbon fiber is absolutely amazing. I literally have 2 bolts holding this thing on right here, boom, 1 and 2, along with the rear hugger, which has 1 bolt on the other side. But it literally clicks right in there, and I had to flex that thing a lot to get it in, to mount that to where it is. And no cracks, no breaks, no nothing. That stuff's strong. NT Fairing, you make some good carbon fiber. Very impressive. All right, guys, peace out. I'll talk to you soon. Make sure you hit that like button, share, subscribe. Bye.